name is Januarius. I took data science at Zindua school. And it's been interesting in that before the course I had never written a line of code, so it was a new experience for me. I learned how to do Python code from the basics basically, and they have a good foundational course that actually eased me into Python coding per se, yeah. So coding, my fellow students, the technical mentors, it's been a great experience learning with them in that there's pressure, but I didn't really feel as if I was, I was struggling per se, because I had never done a line of code, but it was good having people who are also learning around you, and you get to even interact with technical mentors who guide you through the process, and they have a one-on-one program sort of, so you can organize with the technical mentor whenever you feel you don't understand anything. And their LMS platform, it was very helpful. I can say I've contributed to some of the development for LMS3, in that while we were using MLS2, I wanted to speed up certain videos, slow down certain videos, and I mentioned the same to Cyril, who was very helpful. I'd like to urge everyone out there, come to Zindua, learn to code, Zindua your career in tech, because it will actually be a good experience. You'll meet new people, improve your skill level. It will be a good experience, that for sure I can attest to.